Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to format your SD card on the Nikon D750. Let's ensure your camera is set up for optimal performance. Begin by locating the menu button on your camera and pressing it to access the menu. From there, scroll down using the directional buttons until you find the Setup menu. Navigate to the right until you see the Format Memory Card option. Select it to initiate the formatting process. The camera will then prompt you to choose which memory card slot you'd like to format. As the D750 offers dual card slots, select the appropriate one for your needs. After selecting the slot, a warning message will appear, reminding you that formatting will erase all data on the card. Confirm the action by selecting Yes. The camera will then proceed to format the memory card. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message, indicating that the card is now ready for use. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted your SD card on the Nikon D750. Now you're equipped to capture stunning photos and videos with confidence. Happy shooting!